Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Coon Food Official. Add 1 cup oil in pan. Add 250 grams onion, cut in slices. Add 100 grams garlic cloves. Mix. After golden brown, add 2 tablespoons ginger paste. Mix well. Cinnamon stick, black cardamom, cloves, cumin seeds, black pepper, coriander seeds, crushed red chili powder, chicken cubes. Add and mix well. Add 200 grams tomato, green chilies chopped. Mix and fry well. Add 1 glass of water. Cover with the lid. Whistle for 3 minutes. After steam release, open the lid. Add 1 kilogram chicken. Fry. Add white vinegar 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Fry well, then add ½ cup yogurt. Mix well. Add 1¼ glass of water. After boiling water, cover with the lid for 5 minutes. After steam release, open the lid. Add garam masala. Like, share, subscribe. Today's special menu Degi Qorma. Coon Food Official.